Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So let's start. First comes the Korean word for necklace, and that is 목걸이. 목걸이. Now let's see how to say toothbrush in Korean, and that is 칫솔. 칫솔. Next comes the word for jeans, and jeans in Korean is 청바지. 청바지. Next is the Korean word for rope, and that is 발줄. 발줄. Now comes the Korean word for car, and that is 자동차. 자동차. Now sometimes you'll see that car is also called 차 in Korean, just cha. Okay? Now comes the word government, and in Korean it is 정부. 정부. Next is the Korean word for ladder, and that is 사다리. 사다리. Now comes the Korean word for earrings, and that is 귀걸이. 귀걸이. Next is the Korean word for broom, and that is 빗자루. 빗자루. Next comes the Korean word for wheel, and that is 바퀴. 바퀴. So today we learned 10 very important Korean words that are used in everyday life. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.